Hi guys, welcome to Let's Talk. So today we are going to talk about a TCS Welcome Kit. Yeah, TCS to send as a to new joinee. You may call it Welcome Kit. It comes with XP core team and it contain TCS bag, diary, pen, and will also given the TCS laptop for the work from home purpose. In starting, I got the Lenovo box. Inside that, I got one Lenovo bag, which has a material of polyester, and inside that, and laptop. This is the Lenovo laptop, which has 11th generation Intel Core i5, and memory is 8 GB, hard drive is 256 GB. So it has attached with a camera, and with the laptop we also got the charger. So it is a AC adapter 65 watt with 3 pin, and with that we got one mouse. Yeah, that's it. So we have got these things in a welcome kit.